In the vast ocean of the internet, where countless streams of opportunity flow, the art of trading stands as a beacon for those seeking to harness its currents for profit. Today, we delve into the world of online trading, a realm where agility, knowledge, and strategic foresight can lead to substantial financial gain. Journey into the bustling world of stock market trading, where investors clash and collaborate in the pursuit of profit. Here, the buying and selling of company shares can lead to lucrative returns. To navigate these waters successfully, one must master the arts of fundamental and technical analysis, discerning the intrinsic value of stocks and predicting market trends through chart patterns and historical data. Venture into the dynamic realm of Forex trading, where currencies dance to the rhythm of global economics. In this market, traders profit from fluctuations in exchange rates, influenced by factors like economic indicators, geopolitical stability, and market sentiment. Understanding these elements can turn the complex Forex market into a land of opportunity. Explore the digital frontier of cryptocurrency trading. In this innovative space, digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum offer a new form of wealth. The volatility of cryptocurrencies might present risks, but for the informed trader, it also opens up a spectrum of profit-making possibilities. Choosing the right coins and timing the market are your keys to success. Dive into options trading, where traders gain the right but not the obligation to buy or sell assets at agreed prices. This method offers the flexibility to strategize around market volatility, providing opportunities to profit from both rising and falling markets. Understanding options can be your gateway to advanced trading tactics. Step into the world of futures trading, where contracts stipulate the future delivery of assets at predetermined prices. This method is not just about speculation. It's also used for hedging against price changes in commodities like oil, gold, or even financial instruments. Enter the fast-paced arena of day trading, where traders buy and sell securities within the same day. This style is not for the faint-hearted. It requires quick decision-making, a keen eye for market trends, and an ability to act swiftly on opportunities. Consider swing trading, where positions are held over days or weeks to capitalize on expected upward or downward shifts in the market. This method demands patience and a good sense of market timing, aiming to capture the gains of significant moves. Discover copy trading, where beginners and those less experienced have the opportunity to mirror the actions of seasoned traders. This approach not only simplifies the trading process, but also serves as a live learning tool, showing real-time trading strategies and their outcomes. Navigate the collaborative landscape of social trading, where traders share insights, strategies, and real-time trades online. This community-driven approach enhances learning and decision-making, providing a platform for collective intelligence to flourish. Finally, delve into algorithmic trading, where computer programs execute trades based on predefined criteria. This method minimizes the emotion from trading decisions, offering speed and precision that can lead to high-frequency trading success. In conclusion, the world of online trading offers a diverse array of strategies for those looking to invest their time and capital. From the rapid exchanges of day trading to the calculated decisions of swing trading, each method provides a unique path to potential profits. Now, for those intrigued by these opportunities, consider subscribing for more insightful content on trading and wealth creation. Your journey into trading might just be beginning, and the paths to explore are as varied as they are rewarding. Thank you for tuning in, and may your trading ventures be prosperous. Stay tuned for more, and remember, the market waits for no one.